Make sure to follow the instructions on the product package carefully. Check the label to see if the capsule should be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If you are using the liquid form, use a special measuring device to measure the dose. Avoid using a household spoon as it may not provide the correct dose. If you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. Some probiotic products contain live bacteria, such as bifidobacteria. If you are taking antibiotics, these products may not work well. Take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics, as directed for your specific product. If you are using this product to treat diarrhea caused by antibiotics, do not use it if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days unless directed by your doctor. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help immediately. If you experience increased stomach gas or bloating that persists or worsens, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. Serious side effects of Gasseri-B Bifidum-B Longum capsule may include signs of infection, such as a persistent cough, high fever, or chills. A serious allergic reaction to this product is rare, but it's essential to seek medical help if you experience symptoms such as rash, swelling of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of potential side effects, so if you experience any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you're in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before starting to take the Gasseri-B Bifidum-B Longum capsule, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so it's important to discuss this with your pharmacist. If you have certain health problems such as diarrhea lasting more than 2 days, a weakened immune system, recurring vaginal infections, or recurring urinary tract infections, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. It's also important to note that liquid products, foods, powders, or chewable tablets may contain sugar and/or aspartame. If you have diabetes, phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to limit or avoid these substances in your diet, it's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. If you are planning to have surgery, it's important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. For pregnant women, this product should only be used when clearly needed, so it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. Additionally, it's unknown if this product passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When taking Gasseri-B Bifidum-B Longum capsules, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions can affect how your medications work and may increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. This includes both prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products. Do not make any changes to your medication dosage without consulting your doctor first. Some medications that may interact with certain probiotics, like Gasseri-B Bifidum-B Longum capsules, include antibiotics and antifungals such as clotrimazole, ketoconazole, griseofulvin, and nistidine. It's important to be mindful of these potential interactions and discuss any concerns with your healthcare provider. Additionally, it's important to follow the recommended daily dosage and take the capsules at the optimal time for the best results. If you or someone you know has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the United States, you can call 911 or your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. For Canadian residents, contact a provincial poison control center. Make sure to attend all your medical and lab appointments as directed. In addition to Gasseri-B Bifidum-B Longum capsule, some brands may also include other ingredients like fiber or inulin. If you have any questions about the specific ingredients in your brand, be sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for clarification. If you happen to miss a dose of the Gasseri-B Bifidum-B Longum capsule, simply take it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, then it's better to just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. It's important not to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing your Gasseri-B Bifidum-B Longum capsule, it's important to follow the instructions on the product package. Some probiotics may require refrigeration, while others may not. It's best to check the package for specific storage guidelines. If you're unsure about how to store your product, don't hesitate to ask your pharmacist for assistance. It's crucial to keep all medications, including probiotics, out of reach of children and pets to avoid any accidents. When it comes to disposing of expired or no longer needed capsules, it's important to do so properly. Avoid flushing them down the toilet or pouring them into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to discard the product. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.